Ever pondered over the intricacies of building a personal computer from scratch? Well, hold on to that thought, as today we delve into the fascinating world of PC building. Imagine the satisfaction of piecing together a machine that can cater to your exact needs, be it gaming, graphic design, video editing, or just everyday use. Building your own PC is like crafting a personalized tech companion, and today we'll walk through this process step by step. The first step is akin to sketching before painting. It's all about planning. You need to decide what you want from your PC: gaming, video editing, or just everyday tasks. This will influence the type of components you'll need. Secondly, it's time for a shopping spree. Based on your needs, you'll need to purchase a processor, motherboard, memory, storage, power supply, cooling system, and of course, a case to house all these components. The third step is assembling these components, which is where the real fun begins. The heart of your PC, the processor, goes onto the motherboard. Attach it carefully, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the socket. Next, install the memory or RAM into the designated slots on the motherboard. It's a simple click and lock mechanism, but remember, force is not your friend here. After the memory, it's time to install the storage. Depending on whether you've opted for a hard drive or a solid-state drive, the installation process will vary slightly. Now, let's move on to the power supply. This unit needs to be installed into the case, generally at the bottom. Once it's securely in place, you can start connecting the power cables to the respective components. The cooling system is next in line. Depending on whether you use an air cooler or a liquid cooler, the installation process will differ. But remember, keeping your PC cool is crucial for its longevity and performance. Finally, after all the components are installed and connected, it's time to boot up your PC. If it powers up without any hitches, then congratulations, you've just built your own PC. To recap, building a PC involves careful planning, selecting the right components based on your needs, and meticulously assembling these components. From deciding the purpose of your PC, to choosing the right processor, memory, storage, power supply, and cooling system, and finally assembling them all together, the process can be a rewarding journey. So the next time someone asks you about building a PC, you can confidently explain the process. Remember, building a PC is not just about the end result, but also about the journey of understanding and appreciating the marvels of technology. So, why not embark on this journey and build a PC that truly reflects your needs and preferences?